Hello guys, this is Subhan Arshad and this is my YouTube channel Car Adventure TM. So today I am going to review the most famous SUV in India, which is by Toyota, which is the all new Toyota Fortuner with BS6 compliant engine. As you can see, this is a 2.8 4x4 variant which you are seeing on your screen, and the length of this car is 4795 millimeter, width is 1855 millimeter, height is 1835 millimeter. Seating capacity you get are of two types, one is the 6-person and one is the 7-person. The fuel type you are seeing on your screen is a diesel engine which produces 174 bhp on 3400 rpm, and maximum torque output of this engine is 450 Newton meter upon 1600 rpm. Driving train you get 4-wheel drive and optional wheel drive. Air conditioner you get is an automatic dual zone air conditioner, all 4 power windows, central locking, remote with boot opener, anti-lock braking system. Seat upholstery you get in this car is of leather. Front and rear tire size is the same, which is 265 wall 60 R18. That means these are 18-inch alloy wheels. And if we talk about the safety, you get 7 airbags, middle rear 3-point seat belts, middle rear headrest, child seat anchor point, seat belt warning, ABS with EBD, brake assist, electronic stability control which is ESP, 4-wheel drive, manual shift and electronic both, hill hold control, traction control system, hill descent control, limited slip differential which is known as LSD, differential lock. And if we talk about the lock and security, you get engine immobilizer, central locking, speed sensing door lock, child safety lock. These are the safety features offered by Toyota on its Fortuner, which are amazing. And if we talk about the comfort and convenience this Fortuner offer is amazing. You get automatic dual zone air conditioner, rear AC vents on the roof, third row AC vents also on the roof with heaters, vanity mirror on sun visor, driver and co-driver both, cabin boot access is also there, anti-glare mirrors, parking assist with reverse camera and parking sensors, cruise control is also available, headlight off and ignition key off when you left the car, keyless start which is also known as engine push start, 12-volt power outlet. And if we talk about the seat adjustment, you get 4-way electrically adjustable co-passenger seat and 2-way manually adjustable third row seat and 8-way manually adjustable, no, it's not manually, sorry, 8-way electrically adjustable driver side seat, 6-way manually adjustable rear row seat. Seat upholstery is obviously of leather wrapped steering wheel, leather wrapped gear knob, driver armrest is also available. A third row seat adjustment is manual. Interior is of dual tone. Rear armrest with cup holders. Folding rear seat full. Split rear seat 60-40 split and third row rear seat split. Third row split is of 50-50 split. Front seat pockets are also available. Headrest front and rear both. And if we talk about the storage, we get front and rear cup holders, driver armrest storage, cooled glove box, sunglass holder. And if we talk about the doors, windows and mirrors of this car, you get all 4 power windows, one touch down and one touch up for all, adjustable ORVM, turn indicators on ORVM, rear defogger, rear wiper, exterior door handles are chrome and interior are also chrome, door pockets front and rear both, boot lid opener internal with remote, outside rear view mirrors are body colored, Roof rails are also given in this car. And if we talk about the exterior, you get roof mounted antenna, which is obviously a sharp fin antenna, body colored bumpers. And if we talk about the lighting setup of this car, you get daytime running LEDs, fog lights are also LED on front and halogen at the rear, headlights are LED projector, automatic headlamps, tail lights are also LED, cabin lamps front and rear both, headlight adjuster is also available, rear reading lamp is also available. And if we talk about the instrumentation, or we can say instrument cluster of this car, you get analog instrument cluster and trip meter, electronic one trip, which also shows average fuel consumption, average speed, distance to empty, clock which will be digital, low fuel level warning, door ajar warning, adjustable cluster brightness, gear indicator, shift indicator, tachometer, and instantaneous consumption. As you can see, these are futuristic cup holders in this car, which are offered for Toyota on this. And if we talk about the entertainment system of this car, we get integrated music system, displays of touch screen, GPS navigation system. You get 6 speakers, USB capability, aux capability, Bluetooth capability, MP3 playback, CD player, DVD playback, FM radio, iPod capability, steering mounted controls, voice command. And if we talk about the manufacturing warranty of this car, Toyota offers 3 years warranty of 1 lakh kilometers, which is extendable by yourself. And if we talk about the engine of this car, you get 2755 cc 4-cylinder inline 4 valves cylinder DOHC engine, which is a 2.8 liter diesel engine. And the driving train is 4-wheel drive or optional wheel drive. The model you are seeing on your screen is a automatic 6-gear paddle shift, and this is a turbocharged engine. And the emission norm this car stands now is BS6, which is Bharat State 6. Others that you get engine start stop function, which is engine start stop push start button, which is normally sane. And the wheelbase of this car is of 2745 millimeter. And if we talk about the capacity of this car, you get this car is a 5-door car with the capacity of 7 person. Number of seating rows are 3 rows of seating. Fuel tank capacity is of 80 liters, which is a very big fuel tank. And you get the double wishbone front suspension, and the rear suspension is of 4-link with coil spring. You get ventilated disc on the front and the rear both. Minimum turning radius is of 5.8 meters. The steering type is power assist, which is hydraulic. The wheels you get in this car are all alloy wheels, and the spare wheel is also an alloy wheel. And if we talk about the colors that Toyota offers on its Fortuner are as follows: Attitude Black, Phantom Brown, Grey Metallic, Avataric Bronze, Silver Metallic, Super White, White Pearl Crystal, which you are seeing on your screen. And if we talk about the pricing of this car, of this particular variant which you are seeing on your screen, is 34,43,000 ex-showroom. And if we talk about the base variant of this car, the base variant of Fortuner, the price of it is 28,66,000 ex-showroom. and the price I am telling you in this video are all ex-showroom prices. So don't comment down that I am telling you the wrong prices, because these are all ex-showroom prices, not the on-road prices. And it gets with the two options. One is the 4 all-wheel drive, which is known as 4x4, and one is 2x4, which is a 2-wheel drive variant, is also available in this Fortuner. And I think this is all about the all new 2020 BS6 Fortuner. So if you like my video, share it with your friends. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe my channel Car Adventure TM. I will be there with the next video or another video of any other car, and till then, see you, bye bye, see you in the next video.